Let y of x is a solution of this differential equation and it satisfies y of 0 is equal to 2. Then we have to find out which choice is correct for this statement. This is IIT Jam mathematics question. We can solve it. First we have to solve the differential equation and we have to find out what is solution to that. We have to find out y of x is what. They give that dy is dy divided by dx. Differentiation of y with respect to x means y minus 1 into y minus 3. Now we can take this term to here and this term to here, then we get dx is equal to, if we take this to here, we get dy divided by y minus 1 into y minus 3. Now if some functions are like y minus a into 1 divided by y minus a into y minus b, if in this manner some functions are there, then or we can take that 1 divided by y minus a minus 1 divided by y minus b. What it gives? Y minus, how we can make denominators same, so we can multiply both side by y minus b into y minus a, y minus a into y minus b. This goes to here, y minus b, here this goes to here, minus y minus a. That means y minus b minus y minus a means y minus y is 0, here minus b plus a, so a minus b divided by y minus a into y minus b. This is we get. Now to make it 1 divided by y minus a into y minus b, that is equal to, or a minus b divided by this means 1 divided by y minus a minus 1 divided by y minus b. This for this is equal, so I write here. Now if we take this to here, then we get 1 divided by y minus a y minus b, that is equal to 1 divided by a minus b 1 divided by y minus a minus 1 divided by y minus b. We get this one. Now how we can write this one in the same manner? We have dx is equal to 1 divided by y minus 1 into y minus 3 into dy. How we can write this one in this manner? Here in the place of a minus b, here 1 is a and b is 3, so we can write 1 divided by 1 minus 3, this is, into 1 by y minus a means 1 by y minus 1 minus 1 by y minus 3 into dy. So this is what, 1 divided by minus 2, 1 divided by y minus 1 minus 1 divided by y minus 3 into dy. Now we can write this equation in this type. If we can check it by cross multiplying, if we take it here, 1 divided by y minus 1 minus 1 divided by y minus 3 into minus 1 divided by 2. If we recheck it, if we multiply y minus 1 into y minus 3 and y minus 3 minus y minus 1, what we get? Y minus y is 0, minus 3 here this is y minus 1, this is y minus 3. Y minus 3 minus y minus 1, that means minus 3 minus into minus plus. So minus 2 divided by y minus 1 into y minus 3. Here into minus 1 by 2 is here. So into minus 1 by 2. This results what? 1 divided by y minus 1 into y minus 3. This is required. So we can write this one as this type. So we can write, so if we evaluate this, we get this. So this is correct. So dx is equal to now we can integrate whole function minus 1 by 2. We can apply integration on both sides, dy by y minus 1 minus dy by y minus 3. Now what is integration of dx with respect, it is x. What is integration of dy by y minus 1? That is, we can take minus 1 by 2 to here, as minus 2x. We can take this minus 2 to here. So we get minus 2x. And also we can put constant c. C is a constant on integration. So we can write this as minus 2 into dx. We can take this to here. Then if we integrate it, we get minus 2x plus c. C is a integration constant for both sides. Now integration of this one is ln y minus 1 and integration of this one is minus ln y minus 3. Now we can write it as minus 2x plus c is equal to ln y minus 1 divided by y minus 3. We can write this as this type. Why? Because this is ln function. Ln of a minus ln of b. We can write it as ln a divided by b. The same formula I applied here. Now minus 2x plus c is equal to ln y minus 1 divided by y minus 3. Now what is y minus 1 divided by y minus 3? Y minus 1 divided by y minus 3 means ln, we can, if we inverse of ln means exponential. So exponential 2x plus c. This is equal to exponential of minus 2x into exponential of c. This is y minus 1 divided by y minus 3 we have. We know that y of 0 is equal to what they give in question. Y of 0 is equal to 2. That means when x is equal to 0, then we get y is equal to 2. So if we apply 0 in the place of x and y in the 2 in the place of y, then we get value of constant. So in the place of y, if we put 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 3, and in the place of x we can put 0 into exponential of c. This is a constant. Now 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, exponential of 0 is 1, that is equal to exponential of c. So 1 divided by minus 1 means minus 1. Exponential of c is minus 1. This is a value of constant. So we can write y minus 1 divided by y minus 3, that is equal to minus exponential of minus 2x. Now y minus 1 is equal to, we can take here minus y into exponential of 2x minus 2x, minus into minus become plus 3 exponential of minus 2x. Now we can take this to here, y plus y exponential of minus 2x. We can take minus 1 to here. So we get exponential of minus 2x into 3, minus 1 become plus 1 on going here to here. Now here y is common here, y into 1 plus exponential of minus 2x, that is equal to 3 into exponential of minus 2x plus 1. Now what is y? Y is equal to 1 plus exponential 3 into exponential of minus 2x divided by 1 plus exponential of minus 2x. This is what y of x, function of x. This is required function y of x. Now we have to check y of x is unbounded or bounded. Limit extends to infinity, what it becomes. Now we have to check. We get y of x is equal to 1 plus 3 into exponential of minus 2x. Now limit x tends to infinity. If x tends to infinity, what it becomes? If x goes to infinity, if x is equal to infinity, what it becomes? 1 plus 3 into exponential of 2x means 2 into infinity means minus infinity divided by 1 plus minus infinity. Exponential of minus infinity means 1 divided by exponential of infinity. So 1 divided by infinity means 0. So this term becomes 0 and this term becomes 0. So 1 remains here. So 1 we get. So limit x tends to infinity, we get 1. So choice C is correct. If limit x tends to minus infinity, what it becomes? Here minus 2x here. If x is minus infinity, in the place of x if we put minus infinity, then exponential of minus 2x becomes plus infinity. Exponential of plus infinity is infinity. So we get here infinity, here also infinity. Infinity by infinity is indeterminate form. So we get y of x is equal to 1 plus 3 into exponential of minus 2x divided by 1 plus exponential of minus 2x, 1 plus exponential 3 into exponential of minus 2x. If we multiply both side by exponential of 2x, is there any change? Exponential of 2x, and if we multiply both side by exponential of 2x divided by exponential of 2x, this is cancels out and we get to 1. If we multiply a function, a value with 1, there is no change. So if we multiply this, we get y of x is equal to exponential of 2x into 1 is exponential of 2x. Exponential of 2x into exponential of minus 2x is exponential of minus 2x into exponential of 2x means exponential of minus 2x plus 2x, that is exponential of 0, that means 1. So this is 1 we get. Similarly here exponential of minus 2x, and here if we multiply it, we get exponential of minus 2x into exponential of 2x is 1. So this is 3 here. Now as x tends to minus infinity, as x tends to minus infinity, here this is infinity minus, or x tends to minus infinity, exponential of minus infinity means 0 and exponential of minus infinity is 0. This is 3 divided by 1, that is 3. So choice D is also correct. Choice C is also correct. Now the least value of this function is x tends to infinity, that is 3. It is, we can say that as x tends to infinity we get 3, and as x tends to minus infinity we get 3, and as x tends to infinity we get 1. So we can say that y of x is bounded function. So choice B, C, D are correct and choice A is not correct.